Learn how to structure your Ezine correctly. You need to have a constant header and footer in each email so you create continuity, confidence, and credibility. The email subject needs to be carefully considered as well. I get far too many emails where the subject line bears no relationship to the content of the email, so I often unsubscribe rather than waste time trying to figure out what the email is really about. If every issue of your newsletter looks different to your subscribers, you will seem like you are starting from scratch every time you send an email out rather than building an ongoing relationship. You should also include a table of contents, a list of what is included in the email. I would not bother to link the table to the email. The reader can just scroll down to the required section. The table of contents will enable the reader to see exactly what is included within the email, and they can decide if they want to read some of it, none of it, or all of it without scrolling through to see what is included. Including the table of contents at the start will generate your subscribers' interest as well. Let them know you value the time they take to read your Ezine. You will also need a divider, perhaps a horizontal rule, and some white space to break the email down into manageable segments. This will help to break the newsletter into sections and make it more readable. If necessary, add a blank line after each block of content to keep the newsletter looking tidy. A consistent look to the overall formatting will make your Ezine appear professional. You need to include the name of the Ezine, the number of the email in case they have a query, and the title of this Ezine if any. It is probably not a good idea to include the date unless you send the email out by broadcast mail on a specific date. We have not mentioned the width of the email yet. The width of the text is important as some people will be reading your email on a small screen, possibly even a mobile phone nowadays. I would keep the line wrap at about 50 characters, no more, or the reader may have to scroll sideways to read, not an option we want to give them. The footer of the email should include your contact details, a signature file, and any other relevant information. The unsubscribe information should automatically be generated by your autoresponder system.